Our hope and expectation is that One Westfield Place will become a model for post-COVID Main Street communities, not only in the state, around the country. We wanted to revitalize our downtown because our town is experiencing the transition from brick and mortar to more online shopping. So we have to reinvent ourselves. The Lord & Taylor building is an iconic building in this town and gives our town a unique opportunity to partner with our largest property owner to do just that.
One Westfield Place certainly provides us that opportunity to take what was, evolve it into office, residential, and retail. So it's really just adding more vibrancy further along and expanding what is the downtown footprint in Westfield. For the entire development, there are 205 residential units that we've proposed, most of which are 55 plus. 15% of them will be affordable housing.
You add residents into that component, and you've actually now got a town with a great source of economic vitality that's going to support our businesses for the long term.
You can have a vibrant business community, but if you can add better transportation, better mobility, the ability to bike into town and avoid more traffic, those are all things that really benefit all of us as a community in the long run.
There are new pathways that are being created that are going to make people want to walk and bike. There's over 200 new trees that are going to be planted in our downtown. We are improving stormwater by 30% because we're converting 2+ acres of parking lots into public space for our community. We've got a north side town square and a south side town green. It really is, what do you want your community to be for you and for future generations? And once that redevelopment plan was put forth to the public, we then got more and more input, as you can see by where we are today, as an opportunity for them to weigh in and be educated on what this plan means for our community.
I think that the core goals of the Streetworks project have some really great long-term benefits. These are things that would benefit the town, not just in the next 10 to 15 years, but really 25 years and beyond. These are the things that young people are paying more attention to, and I think it goes to the longevity of the town's development.
We felt that it was very important for us to make sure that we engaged with the community. We've been in the community for many years, and we want the community to be aligned with what we're proposing and looking forward to what we're bringing. One Westfield Place is a great opportunity to connect the community and to revitalize its downtown.